Look at that. Nice. Another one. Man, this place really likes these. Another one. Solid score though. Man. That is sweet. Alright, what else do we got over here? Doesn't look to be any different than the last time I was over here. I think that is all we got, guys. I think that is all we got. And I am completely satisfied with this find. That is sweet. Alright guys, I am back at my Walmart that I scored my super, and I gave in come back to get the final two for this set. But what I'm looking for is that 32 Ford that I accidentally left. Looks like someone threw a bunch of cards back here. Back up here. It's not like there were any good ones like hidden for any particular reason. But look, there's so many back here. What's this? It'd be funny if that was a super. But I'm hoping, let's clean this up a little bit. I don't know why I put that 32 Ford up, but I did, and I was not meaning to. So definitely kicking myself right now. Put that back there. Is it up here maybe? Alright guys, I don't know if I'm gonna find it or not. This bin is wrecked. Well, looks like I lost the 32 Ford. Dang it. Why did I put it back? I don't even know why. Ended up coming back for these two. Like I said, the McLaren 720 is not my favorite, not impressed with it, but the completionist part wants me to fix it. But there's still a bunch, surprisingly no Porsches. We still have the GT350s. You almost have a full set here minus the Porsche. You actually have, looks like almost 2 full sets, but dang it. You live and learn, guys. Live and learn. Alright, we outie. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I know you guys are probably wondering why I have another loose 510 wagon, but this one's in red. I actually love this variation. I really do like the 510 wagons, guys. I didn't burn the one that I did for Mark just to do it. I actually have a reason. I'm actually going to make a diorama and do almost like a junkyard car, almost like a barn find type of thing, or something like an abandoned car. So I did detail the headlights. I left one missing as if it was missing a headlight. Of course, you see right here, I painted the yellow trim wheels to a white wall to kind of make it seem like it was kind of pieced together. I am going to do some more stuff to it, so I didn't burn it just to do it, but it just worked out perfectly with Dotson Man, because he kept talking about smashing Mustangs, and I was like, you know what, I was going to do a barn find and I'm going to use a 510, knowing that he likes 510s, but I do still have my carded ones here, and I actually did buy that one for the purpose of burning. That way I won't get into my actual collection. So the Kroger exclusive is still there, of course, my other two favorite variations, and then I do have the 71 510 right there. So I do want to find another variation of that. I do have plans to do something with this. It's going to be a full custom, similar to how I did the Porsche 934.5, which I do have right here. It is still kind of taken apart, so here is the interior. Those paint pins that I was telling you about, these right here is what I used to detail the interior, as well as the silver Sharpie and the gold. But it looks really good, I think. Of course, don't ask what this is. I kind of just like, you know what, if I have a roll cage, I wanted to kind of make that look like a brace as well. So when it is in the car, it looks like it has a full race interior in the back seat. So I do like that. Putting it together, let me go ahead and put this together actually. This is what it looks like. I actually really do like this metallic blue. It looks beautiful. I still have a lot of stuff I want to do to it. I'm not done yet, but I thought I would give you guys an update on how the 934 is coming out, and this thing looks sweet. I did have video of me painting it and doing all kinds of stuff to it, and to save space, I actually deleted the video. So yeah, I have no step-by-step. I just kind of was in here one day on the weekend and just knocked it out. So it came out really good. All the painted detail is actually under the clear coat, so those aren't going to come off at any time. And yeah, so that is where that one's at, in case you were wondering. 510 also has some plans similar to that. That'll be revealed at a later time. Anyways guys, my morning haul before work was pretty sweet. As you saw, I found the Chase ID of the twin mill. This thing is really nice as far as the color goes. I'm not a huge twin mill collector, but of course I'm not going to pass up a Chase car, and I was actually super stoked to see that one behind the card. I noticed that they had stocked some new cars on there, so I was like, ooh, I'm glad I stopped off at Safeway instead of Fry's, because they are next to each other, and I decided to go into Safeway instead, and it paid off, because I did find the custom 77 Dodge van treasure hunt out of the art cars. You can see the flame right there on the Jack's axe. It looks really cool. I love the wheel choice. I love the square body. And check out that tampo work on that top glass right there. That is pretty sweet. So that is the A out of the Hot Wheels art cars. I don't remember which ones are what. This one is H. So there's H, A, and a lot more to come. So really stoked to have found the treasure hunt of that. And then I did pick up a twin mill, which this one looks super aggressive. This is actually the twin mill 3. I know there's a couple variations of this, but this thing is really nice. I always overlooked it because I'm not a huge fan of the twin mill, but if you look at how aggressive and how different the twin mill 3 looks compared to this one is way more streamlined. But look at those intakes, super aggressive. I really like that actually. I love the sharpness of the car itself, and I love the higher raked body lines that come right over those rear wheels versus this one where it's kind of just a stubbed toe look. So I definitely do like the twin mill 3s. I picked this up because there was someone, I can't remember, so I do apologize, that said they needed the twin mill from the 53rd anniversary set. So I definitely picked it up for them. Of course, Walmart, I did go back and get the McLaren 720S. I know I told you guys I absolutely did not like this one. It does look plain, but at the same time, I do have other McLaren variations, and the completionist part of me said, just get it so you can have the full factory 500 set. So there's the blue McLaren 720S. And then of course I did pick up the Cadillac CTS-V. I did like this cast. It looks really good. Of course you see the rear tampos for the taillights, the Cadillac badge, of course the V and the CTS right there on the trunk. The 10-spoke wheels in chrome, and then of course you do have the silver stripe running down the doors, but I do like Cadillac CTSVs. These are like one of my favorite sedans. But when I was looking for the factory 500s, the main ones that I was really looking for was the Porsche GT3 and the GT350R. But like I said, now I have the full set, so that is number one. I'll put it in order at a later time. But I picked this up for Alex. I'm not sure if he has this or not, but it's the 62 Volkswagen Beetle with the taxi livery. I'd seen it the last time and I was like, why didn't I get that for him? Because I haven't sent out his package yet of all the Volkswagens, but I'm gonna add this in there for him. So if you're watching this, Alex, you're gonna be getting that in your package. And then of course this I've had, it's just been in my car just for the purpose of trading or whichever. So I thought, now that I have this new ID and that one, I will put it with the other ones that my buddy Raul gave me. So Hot Wheels ID chase cars are going to be on this side. I'd have to move these over a little bit so they're somewhat overlapping. All right, that thing is really, really clean. We'll put the twin mill, the charger, the time of taxi. So there we go. I got all the IDs here. Let's go ahead and reorganize this real quick. 3. Oh, look at that. The Mustang's made top 3. 2. Cadillac is number 1. And then for Alex, his box is right here. Go ahead and put that. Should be the last one. I think this thing is pretty full. We will throw this right in here. And there we go. It is maxed out, buddy. So I'm really stoked and excited for you to get this. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'll send it out this week and get you all taken care of. That is all I got, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And as always, comment down below your thoughts or requests for future videos. Let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.